This guide will walk you through the process of connecting your iAuto automatic writing machine to your Wi-Fi network, allowing you to control the device wirelessly from either a Windows PC or MacBook. By following these steps, you can set up a seamless connection and enjoy the convenience of controlling your machine without the need for a USB cable. Before you begin, make sure your computer is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Then, connect your iAuto device to your computer using a USB cable. Open the software and navigate to Settings, Network Settings. In the pop-up window, you will see a red message displaying, "The writing machine is connected to Wi-Fi, IP address 192.168.144.64. Different device has different IP address. Just copy this IP address." Close the pop-up window and return to the main screen of the software. Click on the gear icon on the right side. In the next pop-up, click Manual Connection. Delete any existing content in the input box and enter the IP address you just copied. If you cannot see the Connect button, try dragging the right edge of the pop-up window to reveal it. Then click Connect. Once connected, you will be able to control your iAuto machine via Wi-Fi. If you need to connect multiple devices through Wi-Fi, we recommend assigning unique IP addresses to each device for easier identification. Just follow these steps. Connect the desired machine to your computer via USB. Then, open the software and go to Network Settings. Set the connection type to Wi-Fi. Select Static IP. In the input field below, enter the Wi-Fi name and password of your current network. Ensure that the Wi-Fi is 2.4 GHz, as the machine will not recognize a 5 GHz connection. Enter the IP address you want to assign to the device, e.g., 192.168.144.2. You can modify the last digit, after the final, to any number between 2 and 254. Set both the gateway and DNS fields to 192.168.1.1. After completing these settings, click Settings. The software will disconnect from the current connection and attempt to reconnect to Wi-Fi. Once the connection is successful, a red notification will appear, confirming that the machine is connected to Wi-Fi with the IP address you just assigned. Close this window and open the Select Machine window. Click Manual Connection, enter the newly assigned IP address, and click Connect. Once the port name in the top connection status bar changes to the new IP address, you can confirm that the device is now connected via Wi-Fi. At this point, you can click on the gear icon to change the name of your device for easy identification. After renaming, you'll also see the updated name in the main connection window. Then, use the same method to set up Wi-Fi connections for the other iAuto machine. Remember to assign each one a unique IP address and device name. You can also use sticky notes to label each machine with its corresponding IP address or name, making it easier to identify them later. If you want to control another machine, click on Select Machine, find the corresponding IP, and click the Connect button. Once connected, you'll be able to control the new machine. Important tips. Always ensure that your computer is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network when setting up a Wi-Fi connection for your device. During the setup process, the machine must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. To avoid potential conflicts with serial port recognition, disconnect the USB cable once your machine is connected via Wi-Fi.